Yeah, so guys, this is my hair, and I don't know you guys, but I absolutely love these products. I just don't understand why people don't like this brand. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing Monat products, and I hope I don't create some drama, you guys, because I loved these products. And I don't know, I just did. I typed in Monat products on YouTube, and there were a lot of negative reviews. Now, I did see that people were complaining about the shampoo and conditioner. I did not try those. I tried styling products, and I absolutely love them, you guys. Now these were gifted to me by my mom. She knows I have dry hair, and because she loved the shampoo and conditioner so much, the shampoo and conditioner worked on her. She struggles with hair loss like I do because I bleach my hair, and she does too. And she saw great results. So I guess, I mean, it depends of the person, literally. So my mom gave me these, like I said, because she loves them, and she's actually selling them. Now, she's new to this. I was new to this too. I never heard about this brand before, and I guess because she liked it, she decided to enroll. And I told her about the negative reviews. Obviously my mom did not know about that, which was for her kind of unbelievable because it did work well on her. I'm giving you my honest opinion, you guys. I'm not going to tell you that something works if it doesn't. If you have the type of hair like I do, I bleach my hair every month and a half. I lose a lot of hair. My hair is literally fried up. I really have to be careful with the products that I use. Otherwise, my hair literally looks like hay. It feels like plastic. Even if I style it, it looks dull. It looks dry. It's just not a pretty scene, you guys. So I gave these products a chance, and I love them. So I'm going to show you. My hair was super frizzy before I started styling it. I washed my hair last night, did a braid, and that's how my hair looked like. So I decided to wet my hair and then just style it. So the first thing I want to use is the Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I have a sample right here. I thought I would use it because my hair is super dry, you guys, and I need all the hydration I can possibly get. So I'm just gonna just grab some product like this. I'm gonna smell all these products, you guys. I don't know, I'm a freak. It actually smells good. It feels like a cream almost. So I'm just going to apply that all to my ends here on top. Okay. Now, I really get knots. I really struggle with knots, you guys. I literally have to comb my hair while I'm in the shower when I have my conditioner on. Otherwise, I just get knots, and my hair feels almost like hay if I don't deep condition. So this I have to say immediately, you guys, look at this. I feel that it's hydrating my hair. Look at that. Honestly, right now, look how it's smoothing out my hair. You guys saw how my hair was looking, and it's literally leaving my hair super silky. So I like to brush. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I have tried so many products, you guys. I have spent so much money on products to really hydrate my fried hair. And I have to say that this, look at that, this right here, yes, I love, look at that. Wow. So honestly, you guys, I love this leave-in conditioner. I almost feel like I have to buy it just because you guys don't understand how my hair, I struggle with my hair, you guys, like I said. So I think the next product that I'm going to use is the Blowout Cream, because I am going to blow dry my hair. I never use blowout creams ever. Now this one, it says to wash your hair with your favorite Monat shampoo and conditioner, gently squeeze out the excess water, apply blowout cream from roots to ends, and style as usual. So I'm just gonna take about maybe a little bit more. That smells good, you guys. So this one I can start from the root down. So okay, I'm gonna start blow drying in a second. All right, the next product I want to put on is this one. It is the Split End Mender, just a little bit on the ends, because as you guys know, I have so many split ends, you guys, and I do not cut my hair, and I should. So I'm just gonna take maybe 2 pumps. This is also recommended to use on wet hair. I'm just gonna apply that on the ends, you guys. I wish you guys could feel my hair right now. Guys, if you're looking for a good blow dry, I have this one from Rosalie, I believe it's called. This was sent to me. It's on Amazon. I'll link it down below. It is the best blow dry you're ever. Really recommend, and it's not that expensive. Alright, you guys, I'm back. I had to do that off camera because I overloaded the circuit with my 50 lights and my blow dryer running. Yeah, so guys, this is my hair, and I don't know you guys, but I absolutely love these products. I just don't understand why people don't like this brand. My hair feels super smooth. Look at that. So when I usually blow dry my hair, you guys, it is definitely a lot frizzier when I do not apply any sort of product. So I absolutely love the Blowout Cream, and I absolutely love the leave-in conditioner. I think the leave-in conditioner, I would personally buy it, so I recommend. The Blowout Cream, I mean, it's like I said, my hair is less frizzy. I never leave my hair straight like that. I just find that straight hair doesn't suit me. Look how smooth and soft my hair looks. So I'm gonna finish off with the Rejuveniqe Oil. This is meant for your face and hair, I believe. I'm gonna take my ring off. So I'm gonna use only 1 or 2 drops, because with these type of products you don't need much. I'm gonna do 2. Because I have tried some products, you guys, and they end up making your hair look greasy. Oh yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Ooh, I am in love with this. It reminds me a lot of the Moroccan hair oil, which I had, and I just finished a whole bottle. It's adding shine to my hair. Now I like to focus that mainly on the roots, and I like to do this type of thing just so that everything gets coated. Ooh, I love it. So I'm gonna curl my hair. All right, you guys, I just finished styling my hair, and I have to say I love these products. I wish I could tell you that I didn't, but I just do. I don't want to piss anyone off, you guys, because I know a lot of people hate this brand, but my hair is looking super smooth and silky. It feels amazing to the touch. That what is it again? Split End Mender really did a good job. That oil too really hydrated my hair. My hair is super thirsty, you guys. It's just, after a few days, I start to feel like my hair looks like hay, and these products definitely did a difference. I totally feel it, and I don't know, I just feel like I came out from the hair salon. I would definitely recommend the Blowout Cream. I love the Split End Mender too, and I love the oil. If you dye your hair often, if you bleach your hair often, I think these styling products will work well for you. And like I said, you guys, I would not tell you that I love something if I don't. I just did. I wish I could be another person to tell you not to try these products, but I will see, and I will do an update on how my hair looks. Obviously, because it's brand new, I'm using it for the first time. My hair is loving it, but after a few weeks, possibly after 2 months, my hair will get used to it and then will react differently, I guess. So I'm constantly, you know, trying new products, but I love these, and it's very, very hard, you guys, to find great products that really work. And I always aim drugstore, but this luxurious brand did it for me. It is expensive. The products that I will buy is definitely the leave-in conditioner and the oil. I think with these two, my hair can restore and look healthier. The Split End Mender, I'm saying just because of the price, you guys. I'm somebody who always looks for deals. I hate spending full price on something, and I really ask myself, do I really need this product in my life, or is it just a splurge? And I often just buy things that I really, really need, because I like to save money, you guys. I don't like having zero in my bank account when it comes to money. So I really, really am careful with my purchases. So I totally recommend these two. I mean, the Blowout Cream is amazing, and the Split End Mender too. If you want to treat yourself, then go ahead. If somebody wants to give me this, mom, joking, I would buy these if I had all the money in the world. So yeah, so I guess that is it, you guys. If you have any questions, please write them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for your comments, you guys. I am starting to read your comments because I mentioned that in my last video. I really get stressed when I read comments. I don't know why. It really stresses me out, and I try to avoid them, and I shouldn't, because you guys are trying to communicate with me. But yeah, so write to me in the comment section below, you guys, if you have any suggestions too of what you would like to see. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Take care, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.